Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Prime benefits missing. First of all, make sure you're logged into the account with Prime. Then tap your account and then confirm Prime membership is active. Go to memberships and subscriptions and then make sure the Prime membership is active. Next, go ahead and click on this option right over here and then sign out. After signing out, sign back in. Then you're going to turn off any VPN if you're using them, and also make sure to update your app. Updating your app helps to kill bugs and it gives you the latest version, so make sure to update it. Safety tip: don't share your Prime login with unknown users. Quick fix: login using Safari, then reopen the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.